Welcome to our channel. Bundling multiple insurance policies with one company can save you significant money. Follow these step-by-step instructions to bundle effectively while maintaining comprehensive coverage. Step 1. Review all your current insurance policies including auto, home, renters, life, and umbrella insurance. Note your current premiums, coverage limits, and deductibles for each policy. Step 2. Contact your current insurance company first to ask about multi-policy discounts. Many insurers offer 10 to 25% off when you bundle auto and home insurance. Step 3. Get quotes from at least 3 to 5 different insurance companies that offer bundling options. Provide identical coverage requirements to ensure accurate comparisons. Step 4. Compare not just the bundled price but also the individual coverage details. Ensure you're not sacrificing important coverage limits or increasing deductibles too high just to save money. Step 5. Ask about additional discounts that can stack with bundling discounts, such as claims-free discounts, safety device discounts, or automatic payment discounts. Step 6. Review the financial strength ratings of insurance companies using AM Best or Standard & Poor's. Choose a financially stable insurer to ensure they can pay claims when needed. Step 7. Calculate the total annual savings by adding up the bundled premiums versus your current separate policies. Don't forget to factor in any differences in coverage or deductibles. Step 8. Once you select a company, coordinate the effective dates of your new policies to avoid coverage gaps. Request written confirmation of all discounts applied and keep detailed records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.